Good morning, everyone. I'm David Paul. I'm the Managing Director of VectorVest in the UK. And I want to look at the UK market this morning, and I want to look at about half a dozen shares that I think that have got a great deal of potential between now and the end of 2021. So first of all, we look at the UK market. The chart that I put up of the UK market timing looks at the VectorVest composite of the UK over the last 18 months since the COVID collapse. And as I always point out, the red and the green triangles on the chart represent the longest market timing system on VectorVest suitable for position traders. And a couple of days ago, after the close last Friday, in fact, we got a confirmed up signal. You should just about be able to see that green triangle on the extreme right of the chart, which suggests that the sell-off that we've had over the last month, 6 weeks, is in fact over. That sell-off was a three-way pullback. It pulled right back to previous resistance, and we seem to be moving up again quite strongly. All the market timing signals from short-term that spread bettors, swing traders would use, right up to our medium-term market timing system, to this longest-term market timing system, are in fact saying that we should be in the market, and that's what I've been doing. I got stopped out of 2 or 3 shares on the pullback, and now I'm in fact getting back to being fully invested again. To do that, I've held JD Sports since last March, 24th of March last year. I bought into JD Sports. I've added to it once along the way, and I added to it a couple of days ago when we got that confirmed up. Technically, I like the picture. As you can see, earnings per share is rising strongly. It pulled back to the last old top in a textbook five-wave flag pattern, seems to be moving up again. So I'm very happy with that. Cape Tech, I've been in the share for quite a while. It's moving up strongly, and recently it's pulled back, and charted a double bottom. That's what a trader of yesteryear called Richard Wyckoff would have called a spring formation. And that looks very, very positive from here. And I added to it again the other day under £4. Volax, that's a new position for me in Volax. I had some a while back, but got out of it in that flat period. I bought back into it a few days ago. Again, earnings per share rising strongly, pulled back to the last old top, charted a pretty textbook flag pattern again, and has broken out of that flag pattern. That looks quite good to me. It's a new position for me. Polar Capital Holdings, pull back with the general market and a push up. I bought into that. That's a brand new position for me, but it was doing very well yesterday, and then it closed on its lows. That needs to be watched. So maybe give that a day or two before you consider that again. Sylvania Platinum. Platinum price seems to have bottomed out. As you can see, Sylvania is cheap, and it's got loads of cash, and it's pulled back with the platinum price in this case, and has broken out of that falling trend line. It's back on a VectorVest buy recommendation, and I think it's just a matter of time before it gets back to the old highs. And this is a share that I've been holding for quite a long time now, called Intermediate Capital. It's growing earnings strongly. And it's pulled back to support a couple of times. It seems to be breaking up now. I think that the next move for that is considerably higher. And I've added to that position, in fact, yesterday. So those are shares that I'm pretty much holding myself. I'm hoping that the sell-off that we had over the last 6 weeks is over, and that we've got a nice run ahead of us into Christmas. I wouldn't be at all surprised to see a small pullback before it gets going, but the seasonality is looking very good. So I hope you find that useful. We'll be showing VectorVest at the Investors Show in Hammersmith, in fact, tomorrow. So if you're Hammersmith way, call in and say hello. Thanks very much indeed.